And checking out all of the Jeeps and checking out the Porsche. That was a lot of fun. In the end, it came down to 2 Jeeps. At the risk of this being the birthday channel, today is Denali's birthday and Mandy's birthday, and so we're going to take the Jeep JK to the Jeep dealership and see if there is something else that Mandy wants other than this particular car. We're thinking about giving this to our daughter for her 16th birthday, but we don't know if that's going to be the case or not, so we're just going to go and take a look and see if there's anything out there that we want. And then we also want to say happy birthday, baby. How are you? And there's the birthday girl right there. We're gonna give Denali a little brush off before we take her out. She's gonna come with us and she gets to test the Jeeps also, since she's gonna be riding in the front seat most of the time. Next stop is the Bristol Brewery here in Colorado Springs. As you can see behind me, they took an old school and they turned it into a brewery. So we're gonna go up there and take Denali for a birthday lunch. We're sitting out here at Bristol and we're gonna try some of these tropical nachos and the what do we get?
Pretzels with beer cheese.
Pretzels with beer cheese. So go ahead and try them. Tell me what they taste like. What do you think? They're good? Mm-hmm. All right. So if you're in Colorado Springs, come by Bristol Brewery. It's great beer. I highly suggest the Red Rocket. And Mandy had the Beehive. Beehive, she says the Beehive. It's a Pilsner. Or is it a wheat? It's a Belgian wheat. It's a Belgian wheat. It's really good.
Good service.
Are you doing all right there, baby girl? You done looking at Jeeps today?
I know.
Birthday girl, you done looking at Jeeps? So we had a good time. We went to Bristol Brewery. We had saw some really cool Jeeps. I personally looked at a Raptor. I personally looked at a Porsche. Obviously I'm not going to buy either one of those two. I still have that Ford behind me that I want to do something with. But we decided between 2 Jeeps. There were 2 Jeeps at the end of the list and Mandy liked both of them. But what it came down to is we got an opportunity of a lifetime as far as we're concerned, and we took it and we bought a vehicle. And in this case, it wasn't a Jeep. Tune in tomorrow and see what we purchased. Hit the notification icon, subscribe. This is about to get interesting.